Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a slime bubble. Oh, and before I get started, please comment, like, and subscribe to be part of the McKaylen squad. And now that I have told you what you need to do down in the comment section down below, let's get on to the video. So, how to make a slime bubble is you need to spread out the slime. Then what you are needing to do is you need to spread in the slime, which means you need to lean forward. Okay, so now that we have went over the rules, let me show you what I went over. So, you're going to take any choice of your slime. I'm choosing my cherry blossom slime. This used to be like a red velvet color, but I put green food coloring in it because that's how I made the velvet color, was putting tan and then green, but I accidentally added too much green, because this was in a fix-it challenge. Oh, and I will be doing a slime switcher challenge with my mom, and I will also be doing a fix your slime challenge, with my best friend Kylie, if she ever comes. So, yeah. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the slime, you're going to spread it out, lean out, go over. Now, also in this video, I will be showing you how to do a lot of other things, so stay tuned. So, you're going to want to spread it out, and don't drum it. I mean, if you want to drum it to make it more flatter, or you can just... Anyways, now what you want to be doing is taking it, stretching, hang on, restart. Taking it, stretching it out, lean backwards, cap it in, and then go like that. But here's how it should really look.